คุณครูก็คุณครูขอให้คุณครูมีความสุขมากๆครับ I enjoy learning from my teacher. You are a great teacher. Happy Teacher Day. 谢谢老师ขอบคุณครับคุณครู Thank you teacher. 谢谢老师หนูรักคุณครูค่ะ Thank you teacher. Lilo and the defense. Lilo and the defense. ตัดตุนตาตุนทูรักคุณครูมากๆค่ะรักคุณครูมากเลยเจ้าชื่อเจ๋อไฟเลอร์
โรงเรียนของเราน่าอยู่คุณครูใจดีทุกคนเด็กๆก็ไม่สุขสันต์เราทุกคนชอบไปโรงเรียนชอบไปโรงเรียนโรงเรียนของเราน่าอยู่คุณครูใจดีทุกคนเด็กๆก็ไม่สุขสันต์เราทุกคนชอบไปโรงเรียนชอบไปโรงเรียน
My name is Pooh. I am in the reception class.
What is the name of your school?
St. Stephen.
Who is your class teacher?
Miss Claire Cook.
Do you know why we have Wai Kru Day?
Because we want to thank you, teacher, for teaching us.
What kind of flower will you give to your teacher?
I saw the flower
Why?
because teacher loves it, and I'm like to be clever.
What would you like to say to your teacher?
Thank you for your kindness. หนูรักเฟเดริเฟนค่ะ I love St. Stephen. I love my teacher very much. หนูรักคุณครูมากค่ะ Thank you teacher. ขอบคุณครับคุณครู我最爱三间学校而我最爱我的老师 My name is Leo. I am in assistant class.
What is the name of your school?
St. Stephen.
What make you have fun at school?
Soccer and swimming.
How many languages do you learn at school?
Thai, Mandarin, English,
Can you say the word teacher in Mandarin?
ดาวฝึก
What about in Thai?
คุณครู
What about English?
teacher
What about Japanese?
เซนเซ
What subject do you like to learn most at school?
Thai
What would you like to say to your teacher?
If you go Japan I will miss my teacher
What else would you like to say to your teacher?
Thank you teacher ชื่อนะชื่อเล่นค่ะ You are wonderful teacher Wishing you joy and happiness this year Thank you teacher 谢谢老师ขอบคุณค่ะคุณครู My name is Jason My name is Wawa We are in KG class
What is the name of your school?
St. Stephen
Do you have fun at school?
Yes
What made you have fun at school, Jason?
Play with the toys and animals
And what about Wawa?
Run, play in running at the chair by myself
Do you know why we have Wai Kru Day?
Because we love teacher Because we would like to thank you teacher for teaching us
What subject would you like to learn most?
English Mandarin
What would you like to say to your teacher?
Thank you for teaching me